Hello beautiful, are you new in the world of makeup? Do not worry. We have got you covered. This is a step-by-step makeup guide for beginners, to help you get a makeover easily. My name is Mona, and in this video, I'm going to share the right steps for you to follow, to get an amazing makeover look. But, before we move forward, hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel. So, let's begin. Step 1. Apply moisturizer followed by primer to make a smooth base for the makeup. Step 2. Now, apply foundation to get an even complexion. Step 3. Now, you must hide the dark spots with a concealer. Step 4. Apply the eyeshadow to make your eyes stand out. Step 5. You must enhance the shape of your eyes using eyeliner. Step 6. Simply fill your eyebrows between sparse areas with hair-like strokes. Step 7. Apply blush on your cheeks to achieve a vibrant complexion. Step 8. You must use a highlighter to get that radiant makeup look. Step 9. Do not forget to contour, to enhance and sculpt the shape of your face. Step 10. Now, color your lips with a lipstick or lip gloss. Step 11. Use setting powder or spray to keep your makeup in place for a long time. Step 12. Lengthen and thicken your eyelashes with the help of mascara or put a lash extension. Now that's beautiful. Just try it out for yourself, you would love it. This guide is brought to you by Makeup India Summit, which is India's biggest makeup summit. Did you grab your VIP pass? You simply cannot miss this awesome event. There would be India's top 20 professional makeup artists, lots of learning, fun activities, and giveaways, and that too, without any travel. Wow, this sounds amazing. Just click on the link below to know more and join us at the Makeup India Summit. See you at the summit.